Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to create a forum for your WordPress website using a plugin called WP4O. There are also other plugins which can help you create forums in your WordPress website. In this video, we'll take a look at WP4O, and this is the official website of WP4O. And here you can take a look at all the awesome features that it has. Alright, so now let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now we have this simple website over here, so we'll just go ahead and add our plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new. Now just search for WP4O and just go ahead and install now, and then click on activate. Once you activate the plugin, you can see a new tab over here called forums. So here we have different options, and let's go ahead and first of all click on dashboard, and here are some basic information about our website. So now let's go to forums, and here we can see our forum categories and our forum title and all those things. Now we can drag and drop this to the right or to the left to set the hierarchy of these elements. So for example, if you drag this to the left, we can see that this becomes a main category, and if you drag this to the right, we can set it as the child of this element, and we can even move things up or down. So let's go ahead and change the names of these categories, and we'll go ahead and change this to designing, and here we can set the description. And now here we can set the layout of this category. So we have extended, simplified, Q&A, and threaded. So you can go ahead and select each of these and see how it looks. Now the layout can only be set for the category. So all the forums and subforums inherit the same layout. And then we have the forum slug over here. So here we will type designing, and then we have the icons and all those things. And on the right here we have some options. You can set the layout over here as well, and then here we have the option of setting the permissions. So for admin we have set the full access, and then for moderator we have moderator access, and in this way we can set different permissions for different people. And lastly we have the color of our forum. So now let's go ahead and click on update. So our forum has been updated successfully. Now let's go back to forums. Now let's edit this main forum. So click on this edit icon, and we'll change this to designing tips. We'll just update the description. Now we cannot change the layout over here. That is because we inherited it from the parent category. And then we have the slug over here. So here we will type tips. Alright, let's keep everything else as it is, and let's click on update. Now go back to forums, and we'll create one more forum. So just click on this add new forum in this category, and here we will type designing tools, and here we will add our description, and then the forum slug. Alright, now just click on publish. Now let's create one subform. So we'll click on the plus icon over here, and here we will type Adobe XD. It is a designing tool. So we'll enter the description over here, and then the forum slug, and we'll just click on publish. I'll just add one more subforum. Alright, now let's add one more category. So just click on this plus icon, and we'll just type the title. Now this is being created as a forum. So let's click on this use as category checkbox. Alright, now here we will type the category title, We just add the forum slug and click on publish. Now let me just add a couple of forums real quick. Alright, that's basically it with our forum. Now let's click on Save Forums, Order and Hierarchy. Now let's take a look at how our forum looks. So here we'll go to Forum Dashboard and click on Visit Forum. And here we can see our forum, and it looks awesome. We have a lot of things over here. First of all, here we have these tabs over here, and then we can see we have the heading of our forum, Live Blogger Forum. And then we can see the category and the forums inside that, and then we have the category and forums, and we can also share these to social media. And here we can see we have 6 forums right now. Here we can see the sub forums, so these all add up to 6. And right now we haven't added any topics, so it'll be 0, and we don't have any posts. And then it is showing how many people are online. So right now it is 1, and members are 1 because admin is the only member right now. And it also shows the newest member over here. So here we can see our newest member, admin, and we have a lot of things over here. So we can see how easy it is to make this complicated forum using the WP4O plugin. Now we'll take a look at these tabs over here. So this is the forums tag. Then we have members. So here it shows all the members in our forum. We can even search their names over here, and it also shows who are online right now. So if you hover over this, we can see it says online, and then we can see the recent posts over here. We don't have any right now. And then we have my profile. So here you can see your details. And let's go to account, and here we can change a lot of things. We can change the display name, the nickname, and email ID, title, and all those things. We can even upload an avatar over here, set the description, website, occupation, and all these things. We can even connect our social media accounts over here, and then the location and password. Right, so I'm not going to go into all these different tabs and show you everything. You can just go ahead and take a look at them yourselves. And then we have the option to log out, and here we will get all the notifications. Now let's go to forums, and let's add a new topic. So we'll just go into designing tips, and now just click on add topic. So let's add a topic over here. We'll just add a list over here. We can select these options over here and make the post look the way you want it to look. And you can even attach a file over here if you want. And let's just add topic tags over here. And then click on add topic. And here we can see our topic, and we can see the name and details of the author over here, and here we have the post. Now the other members can come and reply to your post over here. Now here we can see topics and posts are updated, and we have the latest post over here. Let's add a reply and see how it looks. Since we don't have any other members, I'll just reply to myself. And we can see the reply over here. And now if you go to recent posts, we can see that this post is being displayed over here. Alright, that's basically it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you the different options over here in the settings, tools, and all these options. And I will also show you how to change the appearance of this form right here. So if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below, and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.